Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I wanted to do a real quick tour here of the brand new 2025 Ahara 375BHOK luxury fifth wheel by East to West RV. This is East to West RV's highest line of luxury fifth wheels here. This thing has a lot of cool features on it. You are going to have a drop Z frame, giving you a much taller, nicer storage area here. You have outside utility shower here, cable outlets, electric outlets, motion lights in here as well. But very nicely done. Two 30-pound propane tanks, enclosed underbelly. Does have the 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system on it. You have two power awnings with the LED light strips built in. This was ordered with slide out awning covers. It was ordered with 400 watts of solar already on it. Dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, or you can get optional disc brakes. Does also have a tire pressure monitoring system on it. You are going to have the quad entrance step going in and out of your half bath right there. And then you have a very nice outdoor kitchen area here with some metal shelving and countertop stuff here. Griddle, hot and cold sink right there. You have the mini fridge. 2-inch hitch receiver on the back with a 4-way flat. You have prepping for the rear camera system. Also have prepping for the portable stow and go ladder. It does have reverse lights on it also, which is pretty cool because most RVs don't have reverse lights. But a very, very nice setup here. Let's get inside here and check it out real quick. Kind of go over the stuff everybody wants to really see. The heavy duty step going in and out, the large grab handle here. Also has a really nice screen defender on your door. Little extra large grab handle, has the Lippert thin shade already built into that nice window. But in here, you are gonna have the big 12-volt fridge. You do have the large GE oven right there with the 4-burner cooktop. Big microwave, smart TV over there on a swing arm with some storage back in behind it. The radio and some storage above your fireplace. That fireplace actually slides out and there's storage back in behind there too. That's kind of cool. But it is a nice electric fireplace for an RV. All vinyl floor throughout the RV here. You'll notice that the lino on the slide matches. So it kind of gives it that one continuous look. You have the power theater seat over there, day and night roller shades, very nicely finished off window framing. You're going to have the dinette over here with the drawer built in. It has 2 folding chairs and 2 traditional chairs. Tire pressure monitor system right there. You got flip up counter on each side of your island here. You'll notice your heat ducts are coming out of the cabinetry and not the floor. High-rise sprayer faucet. But a very nicely done setup here. Look up at our ceiling here. This unit has 3 Coleman ACs. You got one here, one in the bunk room behind me, and then one up in the master bedroom. Large turbo exhaust fan up there too. Got a little storage under those steps there. Let's check out what we got here. We have a nice adjustable shelf pantry set up here. You could use as a, looks like a coat closet too if you wanted to. Magnetic catches on the doors here. Soft close hinges. But what do you guys think of the look of this? Do you like the flooring, the coloring and stuff? What you're seeing here? You got your control panels for your slides and your awnings, tank heaters for cold weather camping, bunch of light switches. This one was ordered Gen Prep, so you got Gen Prep up there, inverter, some different things, the way they set this one up. And you got your main bathroom right here, multiple drawers and storage in here, beautiful solid surface countertops, even up here in the bathroom area. Large turbo exhaust fan, 1-piece fiberglass shower. Decent amount of space for your linens and stuff in there. Porcelain commode, foot flush. Very nicely done shower area. And then you have the sliding pocket door for privacy. Master bedroom up here in the front. You're going to have camper king bed. Window on each side opens. Again, day-night roller shades up here. Another AC. There's 2 large drawers down here that actually pull out. A very nicely done closet area right here with the light up closet bar with motion. You could do a combo or stackable washer dryer over here if you wanted to. Little dresser area, and the top actually slides out, so there's hidden storage under there. It's kind of cool. Another smart TV here. Little shelf space over there. Some of these lights are dimmable. And then all the way in the back of the RV is going to be kind of the kids' room. So back here, you are going to have sofa that will flip out and make into a bed. So you could sleep 1 or 2 people here. That top bunk actually flips up against the window there to give you headroom when it's in sofa mode. That window does open. Your TV for this section right across from the couch. Some storage underneath of this area. They even did a little bit of storage back under here. And then you have some upper bunk area, one of the other ACs, USB charger ports and stuff up there. And they have their own half bath right here. So just kind of looking up, you got a fan up there, AC ducts in here, entry exit way going in and out right here, and a porcelain commode. And they also have a little sink area in there too. But again, a very cool family coach right here to kind of hit the road. Shameless plug, I got my All About RVs YouTube channel up, guys. Check it out. Currently sitting at about 66,600 some odd subscribers. Trying to keep that thing growing and doing more and more videos for you. We will be doing more videos here lately. The 2026s are going to be coming out here in just a few weeks. So you'll see me start pumping out a lot more videos on the updated 2026 versions. That's why I've kind of been slacking a little bit as the 2025s are going away. Let's step outside here real quick and kind of check out the other side of the RV. But again, if you guys want to keep up with more videos like this, actually more detailed videos typically than what I'm doing for this one, for these 26s that are going to be rolling out, be sure to smash that like button, help me out, and also subscribe, help yourself out to keep updated with these new RVs that are rolling out. So over here, let's take a look down this side real quick. You're going to have a dump area just underneath right here. Spare tire under the bottom. Again, slide out awning covers were already ordered on this one. It's a very nice feature to consider adding to any RV. They help shade the room. They repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, all that type of stuff. Going forward here a little more, you are going to have your on-demand water heater right there, your furnace right there. You have a light over here also. Another dump area, dump hose holder down below. And then there is a light up there that I forgot to turn on. This one was ordered again with the portable ladder setup. It's a very nice telescoping ladder. You are going to have a whole little docking station set up here. So you have power dump valves for some of your tanks. You are going to have a light switch here, battery disconnect, electric outlet. They even have a very nice access panel right here so you can kind of get back in here and check things out. You can see you got some of those brass valves and stuff everybody asks about on your water lines. There are some individual shutoffs for parts of the water system too. Then up here, just one of the tanks with the auto changeover regulator. And your jack controls right here. You can kind of hit the button, check it all out. There's a little code to type in so you can kind of do your auto level and stuff as well. And again, this one was ordered with the Gen Prep, so it's kind of boxed out. Inverter up in there, a couple batteries set up the way they do this. But again, very nicely done. Another really cool feature is you'll notice the distance between the bottom here and up to the slide out right there. This is much taller than what you typically find in most RVs. Most of them, the slide out starts about here. And that's where a lot of times you'll see like a pre-cut right here, or as they age, you'll see a crack right here because they didn't really have enough strength in that wall section right there. So far, this right here, having that extra distance and stuff, has been a very nice improvement for the Ahara brand right there to do their slide out system like they do. Pretty cool. On around to the front side, looks like this customer's going with a gooseneck by Anderson here. It's called the Anderson Ultimate Hitch. You can kind of see it down there, drops in there, right there. Some lights on the front. But all right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Again, more detailed, longer tours coming on all the 26s that I'm going to be having rolling out here real soon. So remember to smash that like button, help out the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Check them out. Again, Couch's RV Nation.